So Mickey just called me and said he's got us a truck.
Yeah, I knew about that. These guys don't know though.
You guys been saying that you guys are getting a truck for the past year. Did you guys actually get one?
Mickey said he's pulling up shortly.
Let's go. It's gonna be different than what you guys expect, but the thing is pretty nice.
I was gonna say, who got a WRX? But then I was like, oh, Nate's got his
Nah,
car
that's
back.
Nate's crappy car.
Hey.
Let's go, Ranger.
I wish I could see inside.
That's tinted.
Oh, it is him.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead, bro.
Oh!
Woo!
She is.
It's been a long time coming. We got a truck.
Finally. The first official throttle truck.
Yeah, I took it over to Miramar Tint World on my way down this morning, and they threw some tint on it for us. Some Nano Flex ceramic tint on the front windshield and the sides to keep the temperatures down. For comfort, you can see they put that on there so we don't screw them up. But she's a pretty basic truck, but I think it'll serve us well. We'll be able to mod it a little bit too.
I didn't think you'd go gray.
Yeah, I wanted a white one, but trucks are really hard to come by right now, so this was the best option, I think. It'll look good with all the stuff we're gonna bolt onto it.
He's got a tow hook.
You can tell, babe.
I was expecting a white one, so I'm proud of Mickey. He finally bought a car that's not white.
And you know I gotta have my air fresheners in here already.
Already, I see. Oh, it smells like Mickey. Four-wheel drive.
Smells like Mickey.
It smells like the Mustang.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
The only guy that wants to see the engine.
I want to see what I got to work with.
Yeah, buddy.
You
want me to do that for you?
I don't know.
Turbo V12. It's not the prettiest engine bay in the world.
Well, you know what that is right there. Yeah, this is the RS motor. I'm pretty sure this is the RS motor.
Hold on. 2.3.
EcoBoost. Where's the Turkey?
Oh, there he is.
down
I like
there.
this little air
guy.
snorkel right here.
We got a little turbo down
Yeah, it's a tiny little turbo, but man, this thing's peppy on the freeway, like on the on-ramps and stuff. It actually gets up and moves pretty good. I think we need to throw a blow-off valve on here so it's a little more audible. Maybe a MagnaFlow exhaust.
Do we have a Grady blow-off valve we could put on here?
Ah, I'd
That
love to do
sounds
that. But Turbo Smart actually makes a bolt-on, which has this already has this connector on it and everything, so it doesn't throw any cells or anything. You can really just plug and play. Ready?
And we know RTR makes a whole bunch of cool stuff for
Yeah,
this.
they have a grill,
Yeah.
over fenders, skid plate, suspension. So if you guys know your Rangers or have any ideas of what we should do to this, maybe leave some comments in the comment section below. But it could probably use a little lift, maybe some headlights.
Let's get a throttle banner on here, a VIP decal, license plate frames.
All right, well, I'm gonna take this thing home for the weekend and see how we like it. It's like brand new to us, so it's gonna be a cool vehicle to have to run around in. And I'm actually gonna take it on a trip this weekend, see how I enjoy it.
They want to put a little mod for
I'm
you.
gonna put the VIP sticky on there.
I heard those add 5 horsepower.
It's actually like 7.5. time for me to head home now. But before I go, I want to explain a little bit about the truck. Vehicle inventory is really difficult right now with the microchip shortage and due to COVID and all that. But truck inventory is even worse. It's so bad. We were able to actually find this particular truck, which is a Ford Ranger XL STX. So in order to find this truck with the specific requirements that we had, we actually used autotempest.com. And what we love about the site is that on the left side of the screen, you can actually check boxes of the items that you're after in your particular vehicle that you're looking for. It's even going to look through eBay, cars.com, TrueCar, and all these other marketplaces to provide you links so you can see all those results too. It's your one-stop shop for finding your car. And it allowed us to actually narrow down a search to within 50 miles of our shop here, and we found, I think, 3 trucks. That was perfect because it saved me from having to call around or even drive around to the different dealerships. If you guys haven't tried it out, I highly recommend it. New vehicles, used vehicles, it's fantastic. So it's great to have Auto Tempest as a sponsor of our channel and also this video. I'm gonna put a link in the description down below. If you're looking for a Ranger, you can just click that link and it's gonna show you all the Rangers nationwide that are available for you. So head on over to autotempest.com, go check out the Rangers, and let us know if you would have picked a different one.
The last one.
4.
That's it. We need 4. The new Wild Peaks.
Damn, brother.
These are sick. I think we should surprise Mickey and get these all mounted up. Did you see the wheels?
No, I haven't seen them. 33s, maybe?
Check these out.
What? Wait. What? Rays? There's no way.
Oh!
Damn. Damn!
You know what this is, Ricky? This is a Ford Ranger, bud. All right, we got the Ranger inside. So we picked out the Ray's Gramlite 57 Transcend Overseas is what this wheel is called, in the famous Ray's bronze color. I have to give you guys a disclaimer. I did spec this wheel and tire package out for this truck, assuming we're gonna be lifting it 3.5 inches. So these are Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws, and I used to run these on my Nissan Frontier pickup, and they were great. So we went ahead and went with these again, but we got these in a 33. So it's a pretty big tire for a Ford Ranger. We're just gonna go ahead and toss them on and see how it fits. Now, mind you, these are 0 offset wheels as well, where these have a 55 offset. So we're gonna be pretty aggressive this way, and there's a really good chance that this truck's not even gonna roll once we put it on the ground, but we're gonna find out. All right, well, the Ranger's back on the ground. We got our Gram lights and our Falcon Tire ATs on it, and we're actually able to turn the wheel. So all the research I've done is most people say you cannot run it at stock ride height on 33s. With a little bit of minor mods up front, we were able to make it work, but I need to go drive it now and make sure that we don't have any rubbing issues at load. Lock to lock, we're good, and I think it looks awesome. The bronze against the silver looks amazing. And just throwing a JDM wheel at this truck, I think, was a good idea. Similar to how we did the Mustang.
Several days later.
Okay, so don't freak out, guys. This is just a temporary thing. We are actually putting a lift kit on this truck. We just haven't got it yet. But we want to be able to drive the truck. So before we start cutting things, aesthetic things, we're going to install these, see if it helps the problem. Think it'll help?
Hell yeah. I think this is gonna be the solution to our only minor problem.
Your main hose.
Ricky, you got that Jerry curl juice in today, dog?
Hell yeah.
So glow.
I was just thinking that's from Coming to America, right?
So glow. The sheen off of Ricky's hair is the camera up.
Just the tip.
Just a tip, Quinn.
It's a good tip.
Dude, you're scratching the paint, dude.
Okay.
This is a brand new truck. You're scratching the paint.
This is what you get for wanting to lift it, bro.
No, we literally just got done installing the stock suspension back on with the RC spacer, and now we're literally just putting everything back together.
Where's the spacer?
Right up here.
So it sits up in there. Hard to see,
It
actually,
is
once
pretty
it's
hard.
back in there.
It looks OEM, which is cool.
All right, time to put her back on the ground and see what we did.
That's a problem.
Freaking ripped it right out.
Ricky and Quinn did a great job getting the front of this truck lifted while I read the instruction sheet for them. The reason we lifted the front was to level the truck out, which we were able to do. I think it looks great. We were really trying to not have to cut this little valance, but we ended up taking it off altogether. And I'll be honest, I like the way it looks a lot better. It looks a lot more aggressive without that valance on the front. And you can actually see the suspension underneath and stuff. I think it looks pretty cool. Alleviates the rubbing issue, and now we can go wheel this thing and use it for what it's meant for, and that's for picking up parts and having fun. But I did pick up something that I kind of wanted for this truck. It's basically Ranger badging that goes inside the indents on the tailgate. Tailgate looks really cool, but I think these raised letters will add a little bit of nice touch to it. We got those in satin black. We also picked up these corner lights. Now these are LEDs inside, and they're gonna actually replace the orange light that goes here on the front, which I think will be a nice look, being that the orange is kind of out of place. Now these light up orange, but they'll be subdued when the lights aren't on, which is pretty cool. And then they light up an LED instead of a halogen bulb. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss these items on. That's probably like 30 minutes worth of work, and make the truck look cooler. The instructions say to squat down like a catcher.
It sticks off the deck, like back more than I thought it was going to, but it kind of looks nice.
I bought the thick ones on purpose.
Did
they
you?
They make a flat one.
Yeah.
They make a sticker.
No,
and then they make one that's like this thick, and they make this.
I thought it was going to be flat,
round.
but I think this is going to look better because it gives it a more dimensional aspect to it.
I will say, once these are on, yeah, they're on. Little upgrade?
Yeah, I like it.
I'm down with it. Bring this video to a close. I hope you guys are as excited about this Ford Ranger pickup as we are. We've got a lot in store for this. We've got a lot of vendors that we're going to be reaching out to get some products for this thing, because it has a lot more to go. I mean, this is literally wheels, tires, 2.5 inch lift in the front from rough country, some LED lights, and a Ranger badge on the back, and it's already transforming the truck. It drives so awesome. It's so fun to drive back and forth to work. I'm looking forward to doing some other stuff on the truck. If you guys have any recommendations of things that you'd like to see us do, please hit us in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thanks for the thumbs up. We appreciate it all. See you in the next one.